Are you looking for a new appliance or maybe a new mattress, flipping a house and need all the kitchen appliances? There's so many different variations of why you go shopping for all of those things.
Absolutely, and this time of year too, those July 4th sales. Fox 19 now, Sarah White is at Appliance Factory in Mattress Kingdom to share all the ways to save during their 4th of July sales. Hey, Sarah.
Yes, hello you guys. 4th of July sales here at Appliance Factory. How are you, Ryan?
Pretty great, pretty great.
Great. I'm with Ryan Mock, a district manager of Appliance Factory. First, we're going to talk about locations because there is definitely an Appliance Factory near every person watching right now. So tell us all the locations.
So first off, we've got 5 locations in the immediate area. We are Cincinnati's largest discount appliance and mattress retailer.
Awesome.
So let's start with the north. So we've got a location in Miamisburg, up in Dayton, across the street from Hobby Lobby.
Okay.
That go down to Tri-County next to the Sam's Club there in Kemper Commons in Springdale. And we can go to Fields Erdel Road right over there, by Mason.
Wonderful.
Go down to Eastgate / east of Cincinnati to our Beechmont location.
That's where we are right now?
Right here, yes ma'am. And then down in Florence, Kentucky, we've got a location there as well.
All right, locations everywhere. And we were talking a little bit in the toss about, people who are flipping houses. That's really common right now. They might need lots of appliances. Okay, so talk to me about this kitchen over here. You can get fridge, stove and oven, microwave, all in one.
Oh yeah, and actually kitchens sell homes too. So if you're looking for a great deal on a kitchen package right now, this refrigerator alone, and you can fact check me on this thing goes for over $3 grand alone. So $3,000 bucks, right?
This is an awesome fridge. I'm going to open it up so you can see the inside.
Oh
Look
yeah,
at
it's
how
beautiful.
Nice that is.
It's beautiful.
Really good
So
stuff.
check this out. This refrigerator, range, and this microwave all together is $32.99. Right now, it is a promotion where if you buy the refrigerator standing right there, you will get the range and the dishwasher free.
Not dishwasher,
I'm
microwave.
so sorry, microwave.
No, that's
free,
okay.
yes.
We just want to make sure we know what we're talking about here.
Yes,
but
microwave.
I mean, this is incredible because basically you buy this and you get these 2 things for free.
Yes, and if you were to buy that alone, it's $3,000.
Amazing.
So the savings are crazy.
All right, these are beautiful too. Talk to me about these too.
So this is a Whirlpool front load laundry set. These are going to use a lot less electricity and water and get your clothes smelling a lot better. Killer deal on these. You can pick up the pair for $11.98 right now. If you were to buy these at the competition, they're over, $500 higher, to the point where you come in here, we'll show you the price difference and really let you see those savings.
All right, Ryan, where can people find you guys?
You can find us on ApplianceFactory.com or check out Google Maps, type Appliance Factory near me. You can also check out our great reviews.
All right, awesome. Back to you guys.
We are all looking for those small ways to save money.
Oh yeah, I love myself a good coupon book.
Yeah.
Fox 19 Now's though, Sarah White is at Appliance Factory to share exactly how they can save you money with their special buys and out-of-box products. Hey, Sarah.
Hey, you guys. Yes, I'm with Ryan Mock from Appliance Factory, and you guys are so good at saving people money. Tell us all the different ways that you can save people money, especially on these fridges here.
Oh, yeah. So these are a perfect example of our uncrated products. So manufacturers don't ship damaged boxes, leads to problems in the customer's home, so everything comes back. We buy them direct from the manufacturer. They still have factory tape and stuff inside.
Yeah. Brand new.
Brand new, never used. Heavily discounted. For example, I've got side-by-side refrigerators that look like this one and this one for $7.99 going on right now.
That is incredible.
Crazy deals.
And, sometimes they just have, like, little ding here and there, and you guys can just save people so much money, which is so great. Talk to me about this one.
So this is an example of one of our BDP, our special buys. Supply chain overstocks, extra inventory. Our purchasing team goes in and buys the entire load, and then we pass the savings on to the customer. These are going to be brand new and coming in a box, so they're not uncrated.
Okay.
Full packaging, and this fridge right here, for example, is $649 right now. Top mount refrigerator, 30-inch wide, so it's a nice big guy to fit everything for your family, or put a bunch of beer in for the fridge.
There you go. You can stick it in the garage. I've seen them in basements.
Yes.
Lots of different places you can put that extra fridge. Over to the beds.
And then,
Tell us about these.
We are Appliance Factory Mattress Kingdom. We have all the major brands of mattresses on the floor for you to try. Tempur, Stearns, Sealy, Purple, Casper, Dream Cloud. Legitimately almost all of them. You can come in, work with a sleep expert today.
Yes, work with a sleep expert.
Yes,
I'm
we
going to
will do
work
a
with
comfort
a sleep
test.
expert. Are you ready? Let's check this one out. Oh,
she's about to fall asleep.
I'm
right
ready
there.
to fall asleep. I can use a little nap in the middle of the segment. What do you think?
Oh yeah.
All right, and then you actually depending on the appliance and the mattress, but you got a really cool deal that you do with the mattresses and appliances, yes?
Oh, yeah. So after you come in and get a great deal on your appliances, I can take up to an additional $300 more off if you get the right mattress.
Amazing. All right,
crazy.
tell everybody how they can find you guys.
You can find us on ApplianceFactory.com on the store locator, or type on Google Maps Appliance Factory near me and check out our great reviews.
All right, and when you come in, you want to use the code word
Freedom.
FREEDOM to get all those special deals up to 70% off for 4th of July weekend, right?
Pretty much.
All right, awesome. Back to you guys.